Is an important moment in your video passing by too fast, so your viewers miss it? Do not worry. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to make a cool freeze frame effect in CapCut Mobile to pause any moment smoothly. First, open your video project and drag the timeline to stop the white line at the exact frame you want to freeze. Now, tap on your video clip, scroll the bottom toolbar to the right, and tap on Freeze. CapCut will instantly insert a frozen picture clip. Simply drag the edge of this frozen clip to make the pause longer or shorter. To make the entry smooth, tap on the small transition square before the frozen clip and select a clean white flash transition. Here is a secret pro tip. Tap on Audio, select Effects, search for Camera Shutter, and place the snapshot sound right where the frame freezes. This gives your video a realistic photo snapshot feel. Now, press play to watch your awesome freeze frame effect. To continue learning from our full CapCut Mobile course, check the description box below.